All right. So Henry writes, he goes, "Hi, Dave. I love the steering system for the TR1 SuperJet. How did you guys come out with stuff for it so quickly after the ski launched? Map tuners next." He's going to be map tuning next. Henry always asks stuff about SuperJets. And would I have to buy separate licenses for it and my RX-TX 230? Well, that's an easy one. Yeah, you're going to have to buy a separate license for the SuperJet and your Sea-Doo. But I think he's just talking about how are you guys so quick?
Leave the question on the screen and I'll answer it step by step here.
Sure.
So I'm glad you like our steering stuff for the SuperJet. Yeah, we have a really nice billet steering system with a bearing carrier in there. It's much tighter and more precision than the stock one. And we have the bulge bars that it accepts. We have our billet throttle trigger. So we have the whole steering setup for the SuperJet. We basically jumped on it as soon as it came out, the new SuperJet. And Yamaha was very anxious to work with us to get us some access to that ski so that we could get the parts to market quickly. So there was a cooperative effort there because Yamaha, knew it was a very exciting new model. The SuperJet had been two-stroke. It was for so many years, and that was what year would that have been? 2020?
21, wasn't it?
21, maybe.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we have a really good handling package, including a handle pull spring. And then as far as the map tuner, yes, when you have a map tuner, you have to buy one tuning license per vehicle. So one for the SuperJet, one for your RXT 230. Same device, but you have to buy a separate tuning license for each.
Right. And I think the Kawasaki requires a different plug. Is that right? If you have a Kawasaki, don't you need a different adapter plug for the map tuner, or no?
Yamaha programming cable is different from the Sea-Doo programming cable, which is different from the Kawasaki program.
Oh, they're all three are different. Okay.
All three are different.
Okay.
So you have to have the correct cable for each one.
Okay. All right. That's good to know. Thank you, Henry. Appreciate the super chat.
Thanks, appreciate your business, Henry, and thank you very much for your support.
Hey, guys. Thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.